All right, today I'm going to do an unboxing of this Bedsure cotton quilt, and Bedsure was kind enough to send this to me to do a couple of videos for you today. So first we're going to do the unboxing, and then I'll do another video showcasing it on the bed. So I'm going to move you a little bit closer here so that you can see. And we're just going to take a look at this wonderful, wonderful packaging. This is how it arrived. It arrived in one larger box. I just love the design. And here we go. So this is one thing that I wanted to let everyone know, and that this is normal. So the way they have packaged this, very, very minimal, and they have actually made sure that all of the air is out of this. So make sure when you're opening this not to, don't cut it with a knife or anything like that. The plastic opens right up, and you're going to notice that it's already going to start fluffing up a little bit. So what the company recommends when you open this up, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. What they recommend is that you fluff this up in the dryer for a little bit, or even wash it first. But a dryer, even on air dry, will get this nice and fluffy. But what I'm finding right away, and this is a beautiful slate color, this comes with a couple of actually one, it looks like two pillow shams. That's really awesome. And the color of this one, let's see if I can find the color. We'll do the color in the next video. Tribal. Tribal is the color and the pattern, and it just has a wonderful stitching, almost like an actual hand stitched look for a quilt. So first impressions, this is extremely, extremely soft. I love the feeling of it. Oops, straighten you out a little bit here. Love the feel, love the color. It's as if they knew exactly what color we would need on the bed here. So I'm going to fluff this up and get this on the bed for you and give you my impressions there. But first thoughts, this is a beautifully light quilt. I love to layer my blankets, so this is going to be perfect, and really looking forward to seeing how this looks once it is all ready to go. So thank you very much, Bedsure, for this wonderful product, and can't wait to give another sneak peek into how this looks on the bed.